Queen Mother, I believe at this point, anybody about suffering, you have to understand that something has to be done about this woman. She said something in a video that she made. I think somebody called her. And he was suffering. What will it take for this to go away so that she will stop talking about Iyabo? And she said, until death. Ó tún jẹ́ kó yé wa pé tí Iyabo gan bá kú, òun ò ní parí wípé after 10 years, ó láwọn dẹ̀ ṣe lo ọdún kan ni. So are you telling me now that because I know that you said kán fi ilẹ̀ kán má dá sí kán fi ilẹ̀ kán àwọn ò ní time ẹ̀ wípé ọdún mẹ́wàá lọ́mọbìnrin máa fi borúkọ yín jẹ́ and nothing will be done? Is that what you want to tell me? I know you can handle yourself, but Lizzie has done something that actually shocked me. She has crossed the line. If you have not seen that like that, or I don't know what else can trigger you except that, she has crossed the line to your daughter. Oshuinio, and it's only going to get worse. It's going to only get worse. First thing first, Queen Mother, Sherry show tó ṣe tó ń tààgì ọmọ yín Priscilla ní olè. Like she's a distraction. That you took her to that wedding as a distraction. Sherry, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wo pattern kan lára ọmọbìnrin. She's going to render your name useless if you did not take action. It's just a matter of time. She has gained ground. You've seen the way bloggers carry her and post her, especially when she said something. Ṣé mo pé tẹ́lẹ̀ ìpè ló ń ṣẹ́? Àti ẹ̀fọ́ fẹ́ pè yẹn because gbogbo alámọ̀ pé orí elépèlépè ń lọ. Àdúrà tá a ti gbà fún Priscilla kò sí nǹkan kan. But now, kó kéèyàn máa ra àràbù, kéèyàn máa parọ́ mọ́ ọmọ lọ́mọ. Ẹ gbogbo adúrú nǹkan tó ti ṣe fún yín. Ó ti tún wá mú ọmọ yín báyìí, ó tún ti ń ṣe the same thing fún. If care is not taken, this woman will chase people away from you. I think that is the plan. That is the plan. If she successfully do that, Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ o, she will now bounce on your daughter. Ó ti ń mú Priscilla wọlé. Torí ẹ̀ mo sọ pé you can't keep quiet anymore. You cannot. Ó ti pẹ́ tẹ́ tí ń jà fún yàn. This is the time to fight for yourself or fight for your daughter. Something has to be done. Only 10 years ló ń fi máa ṣe show fún yín. Show tó dẹ̀ ṣe kì í ṣe show. Ọmọbìnrin tó jẹ́ pé she sat down with some team of people. Look at her life. She looked for a way to always squeeze you into things that you have no idea about. Mojoláyà kú, ọmọge Pampers kú. Ṣebí àwọn colleagues wọn tó wà ní Canada náà, Mojoláyà ní ọmọ òkókó lọ́wọ́. Lọ́láìlà ó gba ọmọ yẹn ó tọ́ torí pé kíni we are colleagues in the industry. Torí tí ò bá gba ọmọ yẹn foster house ó yá nìyẹn, foster homes. But she thought about it and she be like, kàkà kó lọ sunlé onílé, you have to live with me. I know your mother. Ṣé mo nǹkan tí Lizzy ṣọ̀ṣà? Ó ní wọ́n mọ̀ gba àwọn ọmọ yẹn torí owó tí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ń fún wọn. Wípé inú owó yẹn Iyabo tún gba percentage nínú ẹ̀. Queen Mother, if you are not seeing this pattern, you have to see something. Something has to be done. This woman is not going to stop, but it's going to get worse. it's going to get worse. Ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí mú Priscilla sìn. Ó ń ṣépè tẹ́lẹ̀ ni kò ṣépè mọ́. Irọ́ ló wá ń pa ọmọ yẹn. Ó ti wá ń wá ọ̀nà láti máa create the same scenario tó ń create fẹ́yìn. Ó ti ń create ẹ̀ fún ọmọ yín sìn. Either you like it or not, you have to do something. Mo fẹ́ fún yín ní example kan. Ẹ wo Very Dark Man. Ó sọ kìíní kan ìgbà tó kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ career ẹ̀. Ó ní I will never sue anybody that talks about me. Recently, ó máa sue èèyàn. From somebody that said I will never sue anybody that talks about me. Pé nǹkan tó bá wẹ́lẹ́ ni kò fẹ́nu ẹ̀ sọ. He sued this woman. Ó ti wá gbórúkọ ẹ̀. This woman that said video mọ̀ pa àwọn ọmọ tó lọ kó ní Ọ̀yọ́ state. Wípé he knows about it. He sued the woman. What does that tell you? Narrative. He knows that if that woman can make that allegation, go fly, somebody else will come another day and make a bigger one. That will never stop. Defamation to his name. Wípé òun mọ̀ pa àwọn ọmọ tó lọ kó ọmọ school tó kó ní Ọ̀yọ́ state yẹn. That is a big defamation. She did not let it slide. He did not let it slide. He sued her. From a person that said, I no go sue anybody, to suing that person. We wonder what is going on. Kò sí anybody tó ní ìdàtí sọ fún wa. A mọ̀ pé irọ́ burúkú ni Lizzy ń pa. Ó ti ń cross line. Tẹ́yìn ò bá rí. Ọmọbìnrin yìí mò ń sọ fún yín, if you are not careful, plan ẹ̀ ni pé kó lé àwọn èèyàn sá fún yín. Ó bẹ́ńbẹ́ kó bèbè narrative yẹn ti ń lọ. Comment section nìkan náà ti ń defend yín. When it comes to reality, ó bẹ́ńbẹ́ tó kó bèbè narrative yẹn ti ń lọ. You cannot ignore anymore at this point. Tó ti lè sọ fún wa pé 10 years, I no go stop. So what are you doing? You can't ignore anymore. You have been fighting people's battle. Fight this one for yourself. Why do you do that? No, it is even long overdue. You know people that know person. Use all the connection where you get. Benny. This woman did not even. Kò sí nǹkan. Ṣé rò pé kò ti ṣògùn ni? Ìbọn Ọlọ́run ni ò jẹ́. You build your name for. Ẹ̀yin lẹ bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ni. Báwo lẹ ṣe wá máa wò ó ràn? Ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tí ò mọ nǹkan kan, Priscilla ọmọ ọlọ́mọ. Ó ń pe ọmọ yẹn ló lè ní. Kí ni Priscilla tún ṣe fún? Ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé you are letting her do all these things. Nǹkan tó bá máa gbà ló máa gbà òkú ìmọ̀dà. Nǹkan tó bá máa cost, if it's going to cost the rest of your life to fight this thing, you have to start fighting it. Because you left her alone. Torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe ń ṣe rádaràdá kiri now. It's because you left her alone. It's annoying at this point. Ẹ sọ pé kàn fílẹ̀ pé wèrè ni. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ti ń lọ, ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ń lọ fà. Àwọn blogger dẹ̀ help ẹ̀. Mo ń sọ pé ọmọbìnrin yìí sanwó fáwọn bloggers ni. There is a particular video tó bá ti ṣe the same thing ní gbogbo àwọn bloggers yẹn lórí Instagram àti TikTok tó dẹ̀ máa fly. The same thing. They fly the same thing. And it's not something positive, it's always something negative. They will fly that narrative throughout that whole day. That algorithm will be about you. Only you are so poor that you took your daughter to that place. Don't you read meaning to that? She said that in your middle, no more lossy benye. She wants to render you useless. Patapata la for you. Ojú àfọ̀fọ̀ tó ń jà ló ń dálẹ̀. At this time, pátápátá là ń fojú lé ó yẹ kẹ́ fọ̀rọ̀ Lizzy ṣe torí she's not ready to back off. Ó sọ fún wa pé inú 10 years tó ń fẹ́ fi ṣe show fún Iyabo òun ṣe lu ọdún kan ni. Ó ní tí kú gan bá dé, ó ní I will still continue on her. ẹ wá sọ pé kàn fẹ́ nìyẹn lẹ̀. This person is clearly after your life, after the life of your children. You know, to cross is only Priscilla. So you think we are going to sit down and be watching you? Tẹ́ ẹ bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ process lórí Priscilla and say, bó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú tiyín yẹn náà ló ṣe máa mọ́ ọmọ yẹn sẹ́nu lójoojúmọ́, ó máa wá stop tiyín, ó máa wá continue lórí ọmọ yẹn. We've seen the pattern. Lizzy is so predictable. Something has to be done. Enough of this nonsense. Nǹkan tó bá wà ń bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kẹ́ ẹ sọ fún wa. You fight for people. This is the time to fight for yourself. Queen Mother. Kò anybody tó máa blame yín. This is the time to fight for yourself. Every time there's a narrative about you from this stupid woman, who is defending you? Who? Tani? You, the only defender Tani is legal. Ta ló ń defend yín? Ta bá defend yín gan, ṣó máa ń gbé, ṣó máa ń fly. Kò ń fly now. But tó bá ti tó ọmọbìnrin bá ti ń sọ oríṣiríṣi, parọ́ ọmọ yín, parọ́ ọmọ Priscilla, ṣépè fọ́tọ̀ ọmọ yẹn, gbogbo blogs ló máa gbé. And the narrative is out there. Ó ń lọ nìyẹn o. If care is not taken, ó ń lọ nìyẹn o. Ẹ wo VDM, the activist, the almighty activist, wọ́n ṣe defamation ẹ̀yọ kan péré, ó sùn ẹni yẹn ni. Máa dúró gbà tí Lizzy ti ń di fẹ́ẹ̀mù yín ni. Kìdẹ́ ń ṣòwò nìkan, tó bá ti rí pé kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó ń bọ̀ báyìí, gbogbo náà máa dà sí ni. Àwọn àbẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa fi yín ta yín. Everybody is seeing the pattern now. Wọ́n máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fi yín ta yín ni. Wọ́n máa mú ọmọ ọlọ́mọ Priscilla tí ò mọ nǹkan kan yẹn, wọ́n máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí drag ẹ̀ ni. Wọ́n máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí crop ẹ̀ kiri, wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa ṣe oríṣiríṣi fọ́mọ ọlọ́mọ tí ò mọ nǹkan kan, because it's a pattern. This is the basis now. Wọ́n ti ṣe fún ìyá, ẹ̀ tí máa jẹ́ kán ṣe fọ́mọ yín ni. That innocent girl, I know nǹkan tó dùn mí dùn nìyẹn. Take her to court. Use any essay that you have. Gbogbo àwọn tẹ́ ń lọ party wọn yìí, gbogbo wọn náà ló ní connection pẹ̀lú legal ọ̀bí kíní kan. Gbogbo báyìí jẹ́ 100 sand la máa gbà, a máa gba 100 sand o. Something has to be done. This can't continue like this. All of these people, you know the video, you know Wizzy, you know Tiwasabe, you know all these people. Yes, it's not about dancing and partying alone. You have to use them for your own advantage. Yes, everybody we call, we know this person, we know this person. At least somebody has to contain Lizzy at this point. Somebody has to contain her. She will not stop until she destroy your name, destroy the name of Priscilla. Kama file kó máa ṣe lọ, kó máa ṣe lọ. Kama file tó bá yá wọn ni mò ń sọ fún yín yẹn, àwọn èèyàn yẹn máa sá. You have to fight this. At this time, you have to. Gbogbo nǹkan ni ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ fight kìíní. You have to use everything you have to fight this. Àwọn Davina náà wà bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe tiwọn náà. Látọ̀dọ̀ Lizzy náà làwọn yẹn náà ti ń japa jáde náà. Tó ń sọ pé tẹ́ bá ti lè cancel èèyàn, gbogbo ayé ti cancel ẹ nìyẹn. They are painting different negative narrative about you. This lover from this lover to this. Òun ló ń dún ọkọ àwọn colleagues ẹ̀. Davina sọ pé òun ló ń cancel culture, òun ló máa ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ blah blah blah. Different narrative about you. They have painted you as a evil villain to everybody just because you were trying to help. Queen Mother, something has to be done. Not for you. I don't care about you. Ẹ ti dàgbà, ẹ ti gbé tiyín dáyà. Ọmọ yẹn kéré gan. Ọmọ Lizzy dẹ̀ ó ti ń trespass. Ṣé bá ṣe máa fi ilẹ̀ nìyẹn? Kó wá mú Priscilla, kó wá dojoojúmọ́, kó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí taint image ọmọ yẹn. Àbẹ́ẹ̀ rí pé ojoojúmọ́ báyìí Priscilla ló ń dárúkọ. Ó ti ń wòye pé àkókò kú ní sọ̀rọ̀, ẹ jẹ́ máa ṣe lọ, ẹ jẹ́ máa ṣe lọ. Àwọn tó kù sí wọ́n máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí crop orí Priscilla, crop ẹ̀ sórí sí anything káàkiri ni. Ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tí ò mọ nǹkan kan. Something has to be done. Enough is enough. She's not going to let it go. You two don't let it go. Bó ṣe rí nìyẹn. Ó ti jẹ́ ká mọ̀ sí, ó ti jẹ́ ká mọ̀ bí tó ń lọ. Wípé I'm not ready to let it go. You two, no dey let her let it go. Èèyàn tó wá after your life. Ẹ wá sọ pé kó fi sílẹ̀ wèrè ni. Okay.